When it comes to ROG, what do you think of first? It is the top level and best used hardcore high-end board product in the PC industry, a variety of high-end gaming peripherals full of design, gaming laptops and desktops representing top performance, or the most special, and also the most hardcore gaming phone. If you are familiar with the history of the ROG gaming phone series, you may know that they are probably one of the most bold brands in the industry, in terms of the appearance, design and functional experience of gaming phones. In addition, in the past generations of ROG gaming mobile phone products, the small LED screen on the back of the phone, the special high-quality sound design, and the imaginative cooling solution have also become product highlights that players talk about. Then the question arises, when the time comes to 2023 and facing a new round of market competition, what answer will ROG deliver? All the answers naturally converge on the new phone we have at hand, which is the Tencent ROG Gaming Phone 7 Pro. Similar to the Cooler Fan 6 adapted to the previous model, the Cooler Fan 7 is an exclusive accessory for the ROG 7 series and needs to be connected to the phone through a special body interface. After connecting, you can charge the phone through the interface at the bottom, and you can also get a 3.5mm headphone jack that is not easy to block your hands. At the same time, on the back of this external fan, in addition to providing the mobile phone with additional heat dissipation of the semiconductor cooling sheet plus turbo fan, it'll also add 4 rather large shoulder buttons and back buttons, which are convenient in-game controls. What kind of audio-visual design does ROG 7 Pro have? First of all, as you can see, it uses a complete 6.78-inch straight screen without openings. It is reported that this screen has a ratio of 20.4:9 and uses an AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, which is the highest among smartphone products today. At the same time, it also supports HDR10+ high dynamic display, 111.23% ECIP3 wide color gamut, and high color accuracy with delta E less than 1. The polygonal rear camera module that continues from the first generation of ROG gaming phones to the present. Various decorative textures covering the entire back cover, as well as the same oblique light and shadow design language on ROG motherboards and laptops. When the radiator is removed or the mobile phone is dropped, the cool air valve will be closed quickly and automatically to prevent the entry of dust and water vapor, and at the same time avoid damage to the shaft. Since it is a hardcore gaming phone, high performance is naturally one of the essential elements of ROG 7 Pro. ROG's gaming phones have never disappointed in terms of hardware configuration. It is not only equipped with the currently recognized top flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but also comes standard with 16 GB of LPDDR5X memory and 512 GB UFS 4.0 flash memory. In fact, it can be seen from the CPU information evaluated by AnTuTu that in this mode, the CPU frequency adjustment strategy is changed to maintain a high-frequency performance as much as possible, and all CPU cores also run at full frequency. After measuring the theoretical performance, of course we will use the game to see the performance of ROG 7 Pro in actual use. The first to appear is Glory of the King, with extreme picture quality and 120 frames. To be honest, under this screen setting, Glory of the King is actually not considered a low to medium load game. But ROG 7 Pro cannot only run its average frame rate steadily to 121.9. In other words, if you are looking for more extreme frame rate stability, then when running large-scale games, we recommend that you always use Cooler Fan 7 to ensure the complete release of ROG 7 Pro performance and further reduce even the slightest stutter. ROG is arguably one of the most prominent brands at this point. After all, as early as the first generation of ROG gaming phones, they had already used high-end image designs, such as full-pixel dual-core focusing at the time. On the ROG 7 Pro this time, it is equipped with a rear 3-camera system consisting of IMX766 as the wide-angle main camera, supplemented by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and an independent macro sub-camera. In general, as a product launched by ROG for the field of hardcore gaming phones, the ROG Gaming Phone 7 Pro has a highly recognizable family-style design. At the same time, in terms of performance release, it also relies on the top hardware configuration and adjustable scheduling strategy to achieve the top level of current gaming phones. The most important thing is that whether it is a rich and adjustable performance mode, a unique external cooling module that does not require external power supply, powerful audio performance, and iconic appearance design, these details are not found in other brand models or even other brands. There are almost no similar elements in hardcore game mobile phone products. And this unique function and design with a strong brand color may also be one of the secrets of ROG's hardcore gaming phone standing in the market. To put it more bluntly, this is not only the accumulation of design and technology, but also the faith. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.